Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the unforgiving environment of the open sea where temperatures can drop to life-threatening levels in a matter of minutes, the margin between survival and tragedy often depends on a single piece of equipment known as the Thermal Protective Aid, or TPA. This essential life-saving appliance is a staple in every lifeboat and life raft across the global merchant fleet, designed specifically to protect survivors from the devastating effects of hypothermia and cold exposure. A TPA is essentially a waterproof bag or suit made of aluminized polyethylene or other heat-reflective materials that works by reducing both convective and evaporative heat loss from the human body. To understand its importance, one must realize that water conducts heat away from the body 25 times faster than air, making protection against wet and windy conditions a top priority during an emergency evacuation. The design of the TPA is governed by strict SOLAS regulations, which mandate that the material must have a low thermal conductivity and be capable of covering the entire body of a person wearing a life jacket, with the exception of the face. The interior of the suit is designed to reflect the occupant's own body heat back toward them, creating a stable microclimate that can sustain life even in sub-zero conditions. Operating a TPA is designed to be simple and intuitive because in a survival situation, fine motor skills are often the first things to fail due to cold or stress. The aid is packaged in a way that allows a person to unpack and don it without assistance in less than 2 minutes, while inside a crowded survival craft. It is large enough to be worn over bulky clothing and a life jacket, yet light enough to be stored in compact survival kits. Beyond just reflecting heat, the TPA is also windproof and waterproof, ensuring that the wearer stays dry even if spray enters the life raft. Safety regulations require that every lifeboat and life raft carry enough TPAs for at least 10% of their capacity, or for every person not provided with an immersion suit, ensuring that no one is left vulnerable to the elements. Maintenance of these aids is straightforward, but critical, as surveyors and ship officers must regularly check that the vacuum-sealed packaging remains intact to prevent the material from degrading over time. For maritime professionals and offshore workers, understanding how to properly deploy and use a thermal protective aid is a fundamental part of survival craft training. It is a simple tool based on the laws of thermodynamics, but its presence has saved countless lives by buying survivors the precious time they need for rescue teams to arrive. In the battle against the elements, the TPA remains one of the most effective defenses in the maritime safety toolkit, proving that sometimes the simplest designs are the most powerful in preserving human life at sea. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.